Hello, agus fátíí hiic na seanslaí mas maidir seansa bhacu ghlaciad ar na seanslaí is mise Hugh McGill cheada agus nó níama a leir breakdown tá just ní dearmad a dhéanú ba hain a séomh le haid coppla le so tá cumach 6 mountain man arm faoi lethir. Na bí éanam ní arbh tá má cinse go má Harbh a carcular. Beidir carcular? Ne so. Tá te ar réondos mar scra le muid cólaí le muid cardide ar dúspáir mu le ainhhuiir aine go mar tlaanta.
Einta mai. Was go there haing tú ard de éso go sin ní ahan an bhíthe go dtí goir tú é.
Oh.
So bhfuil tas a Beiidir it a go the pick me. Hugh.
No, pick me. Choose me.
Mise.
Love
What?
me.
Mise? No.
Críe, no. Listen, just rug my jarmid le mehéine, le mehéine láú agus mehéine a chuir le cheile agus a caiint fi le nach bhí na héine láú tá seo fásta le James ó Flaharta James, Jimmer Theta.
Go on, yeah. Like, not cos a lot, but I'm actually not feel so gross. So.
Oh, okay.
Oh, damn.
Okay, all right. And Gerha sin lumsa, James. Gerha sin lumsa. Pearsa Rann the Feirste fi sé. Gerha fel tú chom masla. Higgin rí ran the Feirste.
Níl sé riú chun seo stopú now.
Hugh ran the Condaim or their Chana Rua. You're gonna tell me now?
Honestly. Ik hear those. I can't believe you're gonna grab them chin on. Like go like
agus ar
Pearsa the wallet like need Pearsa in Charua got hard. No.
Cé duna tá ran na Feirste?
Let me double check. Tá Harbh kinse that Wallace and Coveted.
Nach rí si bh maithas Peirsaí ní cup blian.
Ón Maidir leis dar leis an déanareacht dearnach tá 3K no sorry tá 4K sa trocha hain daoine in Run the Feirste dar leis an CSO so tá so listen just so long as go bhanamid 3K blian be calcular but I think it yeah. But it'll just be, be in a couple of blasters, probably around the faster because we're gonna run out of the similar.
Be dini run the first because she's leis an ua, be fucking an corn because she's an ua.
They're my it's the housemates, whatever. You can't feel like, oh no, it's Kane size thingy a were a rivet. Agus Dirk Mar list agus you like call care, not call care. Because they're now obviously it's Bali to bugay.
Nepotism a bay.
And what go find nepotism never ta a handing a goil to like it. And rotation and Féidir leis a more nepotism. Like hypothetically huckle a hand end in it a bheith more chuds that nepotism that rud éigur sin and Kelda and bar go caiimiid a lí
agus freisin like cecha fáda sí sa liste go do chláán na táú na thug se fáda se ar ruchta.
Yeah. This is true, like not Gurka ruddy I'm nearly sure gur hasí se couple like quick blian jagohan I'm near to Harbh kinse gur hasí se. But chance go me car, but just from a Gurker and like from a Gary Amshu like Kayla or Woya, I was a kind of slow of him on the neck was Venus a J and it was Mahorson like I slash McCall her. I guess we were like really the quick than ye gala and ye Mahena Wuluma.
So the much low leg.
But Jenny VAR gasta or job but the Harbh kinse. Will
Oca's on new like
yeah so be
cui mommy saga
I guess chunig me pictures I cheama go just bit go holiday as a bob
no agus bhí si san nuachtain agus ahanrad bhí si sí sa Donegal Democrat / dairy people láte but no it's the chud tá Jean siad Jerry seachtain na Gaeilge leis an clubáige a leir seachtain na Gaeilge so mar chud tá seachtain na Gaeilge current the file and the matcha agus sin nuair I mean there's actually hold láte Jean siad agus marker ring me sé chomai like Jean siad comórtas filiachta bug der bhain bell bin Jean siad drama bug agus bhí like na poisty bug bugad le léiste mar like Donald Trump agus anrod darnáid agus bhí si
The Keynta that is called the Donegal Democrat.
oh yeah
Cinnte goil sin cute.
a bhí sé de cute ceán agus bhí
Gunnar bí tá dúr go túúna se agus tá smuitiir bog go ran Feirste, Tá sé néiclar se go se blig goirte lena chéile as go nééis na páttíús mar Trump. They're like, you know what? I'm good.
nach mín ahan ballbug ag genú sin Tá cumhniú gom i léir thugma mu suas go hiigin Mary fan lo agus bín mór hiúil acu tríd an sráid le linn an féile agus bhí like I would say Arthur Jair pleist gléis was mar Donald Trump agus fully like bhí cin bhhaine acu agus bhí an bandage clúsaige as if it was literally Trump post assassination attempt.
Oh my god.
Sinna cin bhí an sorry to bhí also pleist gléiste mar for junk bhí an it was daoine eileisteach hiag World Cup sin sketch an dhearan siad so it was pleistí bug with little French mustaches agus lads le scarfan a Celtic le heispan gur bas éirniad so it's perfect.
Yeah,
But no,
I think maybe glórósin surprise la porrick means Edgar version like being glór piss takes agus mé nach.
yeah absolutely. James cai tú inis cai tú agrú Pearsa darua fi sé agus
Thuir sé dó héine.
bhil sean an rud Bé sé nós an fearn banistíata a bhí atá ag dúnaál is le ag an fearn pell a hanna le cin acu bhí si idir ar an fanil in líidir nachdá na bhí an fearn banistíat in líidir nachdá like it's literally it's a so it'll just be dá farsa caharú it'll just be duine bhain eile ón fearn sin le fi blian and it'll just be
Three blian though, so
trí blian so
yeah, we're good.
and obviously James Fanning is a trocha blian you're white at tú héna chu contá ar this bar.
No, it's tich brinch like during him heen out a chuúre though.
Oh yeah, oh well darn yeah.
But sé cosle ús an host on to SNL chuúre have to like leather jacket more.
5 timers club sin a méistal inar ri a bhí absolúte le dé so chumid as an cuiste
Agus tiltte go maithe got.
Yeah,
sinna cead rud dúirt my housemate she was like céin flat tusa as in like ceirtal tenta good.
Like completely honest.
I think yeah
My reaction was Kayla.
Well now I'd say go with your ace an canter atá you know I'd say go si tí sáile in Gaeilge chuimhní síle omland so and they're like Cé an book ó seo náú sta Meall go share an radiodis as a buin sin
well when you went sin agus nach Roma an bhí an video message chu fásta
sorry roháta le bheith láthair ro busy
go leis go
No, Áine, wait, didn't we around the Feirste like you níl aon duine so gantar sin nachhfuil an acu ar a fearsin. So siúlann seach agus cheapan go hiúmas out of 50 yards agus stopmas lethúach like agus yeah. Bhí mi just like please just
chun gáil
chun learning a siúl.
Cos le bheith mééis up dúirt le dohami.
Tá yeah no listen look Sean Ibe listen is
duine around the Feirste tá níos cáiliú na Hugh Carr is Roshin Dooney. So Tara, yeah. So
yeah, 1 second. Céimhá na bhfuair sé Pearsa na bliana.
Oh, ní were. I just presumed go work.
That's a fair assumption to make.
Transscoil sí sáile like le voodoo doll the aig just an gránig íirt.
Stroking and Gratham just being like they do It's lumsa.
No, it would actually be the opposite. Tá an voodoo doll on like the current bug I gave. I go woo.
Living vicariously through you.
No, what a man. Listen, what is it? Just a whole sass. Jesus Christ. We should dead. So yeah,
go shall.
Go if you want go shall. I'm going to toss the clean Irish, but toss with sweet version. More a dirtma, bhí se do bhhair ar seaach na Gaeilge an rud an imacht a bhí ar siúlann sin gcuir mó chradam agus tá muid builte le seaach na Gaeilge bhfuil aon flans allhór agah an bhfuil se fásta bín chase out the door le rudí a tuthe ar siúil timpal na tíre agus timpal na condaid just móhain se dúir meile ding igen gur móhain se cas le nálaigh na gail cos literally it's like ahan le rud igen ar siúil.
Agus I fáil chur hiag rudí like jazza like sir go jiglinn bhean mar Áine you know fiú na stáisiún radio beidir go mud bintal leis goil ócadíirsúla chu agus a géirí bud bheith láthair or you know just a gur pobl teach le chéile faoine seach na Gaeilge ach tá chuid is smó den na rudí seo a tarlú I maileach clia. Ní le méid céine a tarlú ngáliú tá rudí eile a tarlú tá rudí tarlún seo I gcunaon chláir ach na rudí sóisialta go muin na buinte leis tá slí go maileach clia. No good to me.
Well, bhí tú ag amachtaí hiarnach they tried something uair agus difriúil agus rud nachhfuil genta riú a pop-up gaeltacht a bhí in Áras na Gael bedrú buntriúil a scéad úsáid snatchin. I don't think
in Áras na Gael.
Yeah, nes mar hol a riú Gaelic lóta in Áras na Gael.
Yeah, bhí ihe agrathe ag Lorna Áine le taú le Women's Aid agus bhí sé das míall go leor de chean chairde na Gaillimhe nach bhaci mé le beidir bhblion just hiú le handan ista ní hégur éon phlean daoine eiceáil ach tháinig cardil in sta tháinig barú siúcr ista a chunaí I géirí inis tháinig sta nó méil hir an ista tháinig éimií chuning ista so just bhí sé an jazz a gcuoine bailú le chéile agus get bhilgaí anú ar san grúpa carnach do mai a han buch faointe de heachtain na Gaeilge bhí agam sa go dtí seo ná sáilíonn seo go naon chláir jeanan muid féil na hinse a han eile bblion agus chuirmis iste ar an gomórta seo mar fáiste bín óráníocht bín ag liberte bín lubaní bín ahanrad. Íireach orm teachtarráis mar bhultúir ar an gomórtas óráníochta im mbliana agus bhí sin ionta full circle mar gur chuirmis teir sin blion in é blion mar fáiste agus bhí mó chean scoil chur istí ar an gomórtas an lá sin so anáiste an sort like imposter syndrome like just but really galanta go bhaid gur mé albalta sin dhéana is goráis ag an pobl a thosaí suirt is síl na Gaeilge mise so bhí sé galanta moltarcht ar na páiscí sin má bhuachhainte.
Cute. What do you call it? Listen, you're just you've made it. You've to do a bar and
well what can I say?
To do a bar quick, you know. But that's already just like in stuff in the end though. Agus like a Harry or Rudiger Rud ho parsanta Tasha like is Rud all war leve mar chudda agus leve you know, like torture rash you can fobble or hug and mention that.
And the moontory céine fós a bhún mise a thug Gaeilge dúsa each an tá fós ag rí féil na hinse agus.
Cute.
Yes, so she just tracht the rash ag an bubble céine hosí tú leis.
Yeah. And mé tú ag ghlacu páirte, you know, the rudí gur bhog tú a bháil in speidir doró any bugge agus Killian's bugge na si gal se mé si de chur star féil na hinse cumáid mé si fan.
Oh, kinse, yeah.
Yeah.
As bear de bheachan gomórtas a winch nó ní bhéh mé sástaló.
An mé is ar nós na soccer mums at
Chris Jenner.
Yeah.
Sin camcorder.
Yeah.
Yeah, really díach lo mna winning she.
The Jenny Harkeen sweetie. I would pay.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Great argued leis an acal.
Do you know what? Síle mar bhealach Killian a bheith mar sin.
Oh yeah.
Leis an sport. Yeah.
But Gary, you doesn't want any losers, you know. Sean, being child on there,
yeah.
But I'm near this. I mean, Marner she'll Sakarua, James, reach out and get or because I think it's Rud Sawala, as in New Russia, she'll never mission og. Like I feel like not really ring more in Keller or Shock McGill back in the day because it's kind of like
no, because it's
Blian na Gaeilge.
Yeah,
Síl na Gaeilge.
Yeah,
just Gaeilge. Just a tangle lowers with a lot, so I don't think what to get we was that he was that had a special to le chorchan key but chorna lords chud lá anyways so
yeah.
no ach even like who's it like you said like ví som go seach na go Joach ja mé ókatí an tá like woch ma like ge richt gin tá mar hin idir mé I don't know homse like to ma just goáleg was is an ganócha agus rudíach definitely mé ní som ki so sport yeah just ní mé gén ókat fós na tá mar hin like so yeah
Well is dói goil sé ddír haní smó ar an gáilteacht agus pobl beidir na ghil scoíochta agus
Mhm.
nílan beidir an bhéim céine ar sna ceanta ghilteachta mar nach go gá. Ach
Mhm.
tá go leorí jazz atarlú le an seota le ranganí alína trí Gaeilge agus rinnemuid seisiún ceol de híine trí Gaeilge, so tá leorí just graradí tarlú ach í déanú trí Gaeilge in áit agus sin jazz mar rinnemuid na cinú an seisiún Gaeilge de híine go mud gona dhéanú a an bhí don bhíon agus just
Unreal.
don Jaach an Gaeilge, so tá sé tugann sé sppragu do gcuoine sílam.
Do you know the a goni German thing is that it's an shin and leishgal is fair le tusakar le Astra so Gaelic or whatever or even just like ein ruddy energy Gaelic it's just like okay well ta mud Jenny Shaw Hannah like the Shaw tan the aquani your father ganish like came for nach any mud Shaw ní smo like or came for just knock on much le Shaw
Yeah.
so tasha so just will the sessioners has got like yelling it.
As ar nóid tá nuacht agad sa faoi seachtain na Gaeilge tú hain Hugh ar bhhaile tin sin faoi sin.
Yeah, tá maiid súla leanamh no no Ew! No
agus a sé ine leis féin
Yay!
Agus bé mu dean le
Sisters
taú leis.
are doing it for themselves. Sorry, okay, go Michael. No, and not though. Well, fi am to seo gluiste go bheith an cead seach an Creitne dá an club her 2FM lumsa agus le Andrew de Puir leis an Claire uair nua atá chuirla ceile le haid seach na Gaeilge. So that just crackle fun second. I'm getting nuked on funny an seo.
maybe go bin choice donna le fokle at the current stage of down
Yeah, Badger, listen, just been sauce just trying to talk Elijah.
basically been actual nuke so
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Oh wow,
Oh,
okay,
God.
hello. Oh, hi Trump. And I shouldn't push just from the Feirste. No, it's Donald Trump. But bhí siad so no, so chuir muid tús an Clara an Lún agus yeah, it's so deadly. It's a really spríal é dhéanú. Hain Alexander Carter muid le ceile le haid rudí dhéanú le linn seach na Gaeilge agus sinna a smuoinú a bhí tucha agus ceanna bhí thugtar an spáistún le really could be rather whiling a dhéanú leis a dhéanú so bhí so tá neart aglah an Claire tá neart cracker an Claire to the tunes Kieranna a gluise ar 2FM de ra ach le tunes in Gaeilge go mai fásta so ag mascú a haning ar cheile agus an cheadú riú tá se cócréilú ar 2FM agus ar radio na Gaeltachta so tá se mental go bisá le an ceadú go riú go rush like okay ná tá se leidir go leir féir leis é dul má ar an de station seachas ar an Lún because sinna hi bhfuil ceáiltí ar radio na Gaeltachta so níor muid gairí a bheith ag seaasú ar gasa aon don na lads ar an taobh sin.
dúna sin tequila tíide
No, the canal Bóthir gan Nashville, James. The hot please. Yeah, not Jenny Germa there. Han Loon on the log. Not Haile Maher. Agus so then to Majinga or Raging the Delta to on March Gina a reading Seachtain. So yeah, so I'm just really class. I guess and Rod fast the Bóihéamach Hain is a hanam vacuum or a nyanam Ruddy Mershaw. Is sample é dá conas a méte ar nós dá rudig a rud le amsúr bheitháin whatever. So más rud é gur seo an chead chléir dá stíl sige chléir bháin Gaelach a tá casa le chléir drive na chléir breakfast na chléir ein rud le ra chléir ar 2FM. Más seán sample ús sin siad nuair tuis de géir rud dhéanú níos níos mó beidir le rudig go de géir chléir jeir dhéanú beidir chléir i ggéana am eile. Then se ri jazz go mudging mar chud don I don't know, the proof of concept, I guess,
An
of
glúiseacht.
an glúiseacht ag tarlas atanga fú láthair tá sé dóráit eile bhéh mar
An
chuid
Gaeilge cool inis nach agus.
Tá Gaeilge cool inis. But no, tá absolutely buzzál agus is réalt carta Andrew le bheith obair leis cho agrithe agus cho like it's saniolí carta, you know, lad atá égartaí inis le deag blian is Harvey saoú seo agus mis chat tegus ní seachom ach blian, so it's really duine maiid le bheith ag fólamas agus it's just really jazz rudí ennu go háán siú Gaeilge rí seán ce rud tá deanta go mlein Gaelach le fad an le, so is leisgil maithe or is cúis maithe, so tá buin sésta tá
Jazzgóil sé ar rad na Gaeltachta agus ar 2FM go maiid gohfuil ní smó ábhar do ísgrúpa so gnne ar rad na Gaeltachta mar bíon reinteach sé de ascúil siad a chuir leis an inis agus go dtí glunne mothúgóil siad a ddír airne go maiid mar orintanta bíon stuff a rihan léad a gine ní sinna, but tá sé das. Goil get a dúine go maiid. A han tróna.
Well, go rud léhil, because obviously tá rudí ar nó péiscéile
péiscéile gcónaí
agus bíon coppla segment ar na cléirthe and is saríis whatever atá dúr here daoine yoga nach faoi cuasaí daoine yoga, whereas seo it's like Claire
go thomlan
go heiles go thomlan dúr here daoine yoga is tí ar an de station like agus go cean go nascan siad an locht éisteachta don de station, so no bhí se really no bhí mar réasta nar thuirsta ceisteing anu agus fástan sin bhí an promo shoot Anna
chuní mé
oh my god Áine
dána ceán ag Hugh is like, so that cláachta ige like.
Oh, listen, I knew all the angles.
Kind of poses aige, they're locked down.
And MDV arm was that because you know the genuine stuff shot car it's just Seachtain agus photographer agus and you know agus better thing is and PR or whatever tension whatever, but like the for fad killing chin down crack like it is by nature it's rod really ashjack agus rod really silly like that you literally you're like kind of it just go my line funny agus line spree agus line crack, so then I was obviously just getting silly with it and tamer font. But then I copped, hold on a second, te Puck3 Deuce getting silly with it and tamer fod and shot. Like te Manye just a very chishpan like or like you know like doing like a generally like rock and roll like hard rock symbols whatever. I was like Glock Puck3 ahamur. And then if you must meet you wait, fun second, Shans give a shot on the Puck3 Teshachon Kurama Haig like Gaelach la Lord Fui and Rudshaw. You know, we can the one is made like Ertog, like cross-legged, genuine more like real rock and roller like Rud. I was must mean you wait near one and put the shot on my heartbeat. Like 1 second near my Gary come a shot more and the D-Deuce snama. So Tesha so we shall really so we were really imniach then or a forma and NASC can drive to be like Sean the put through your father like oh god right can around shit. But mind as the leis much around shit. Which are no sitcom couple.
Tá sé Jackar though, is coolum fiú na rinne mud an like na pictorí profisiúnta don fodcréile agus manuel duine ann le insin dut céin aig nó céin pósní le genú you're just éan tú comí compordá in a couple of momse. As coolum bhí tosa kind of ar cooling camera ag insin dúsa céir le genú like it her prompts dúsa agus cuidín sin. Ach manuel sin agad in é like bumsir just like gdí and I'm like I don't know I look stupid.
Cabamach much lower.
Like but like in these trucks and you're like Arkham cussa absolute own shot and show like
yeah
like no dark shift shit an comporda agus an profisiúnta.
The James Bracklock the score camera is no come on
no what
no
me
just
sorry
full on
professionalism then shot sin or darty to an car in a bar groggy ví so it's a car on camera sin
agus car on the angles agus
different though the matter pork pellet like the my god about brand new half decent chin like after fucking picture is the Bob camera just made. Fuck that, jeez. No.
Yeah, bhí
No.
gáanta James. Listen,
Nah.
Yeah.
Tá má cinse go bé ní smó fóthisiút le déanú.
So an chlár atá Hugh le an cean se is bhfuirte nuocht a níhir leachach na tada nu bhfuir scéalta báisiúirt
Oh
no?
yeah, oh absolutely yeah. No, tá ahanmh dúach an go bhéh mar an ggéarna agus yeah, agus bé an popceol céarna sa coolra, bé instrumental
Yeah.
dá espresso le
agus ar
carbon.
a tíláide go mí mórta caiú Farróg as a garú James
Think about me, oh,
seo man I need le Olivia D.
Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me.
You be the man I need.
If that's the way I go out, which is actually fucking funny.
An dhéanaan sibse an féirling ar fád to complain an seo ar an pod le cheile just tá mar ruí so go dhéanaan sib sin rud céarna because otherwise then is comagur arsol meise ach nuir tusa I géisio leis an nuirt ar réidir na Gaeltachta an ahraíonn tún station nar change a hiic de contaile de James an náda just aon dinge nuir tu nucht
ó nar dhéan siad scéalta níorthir
scéaltan deisceir scéaltan tuiscirt.
Yeah, mar orintanta tá siad roáú agus go dtíon pointe nach muinn siad lom ar chorbé, but yeah.
Níl art fall amach go ró crash ar an bóthir in
hí san muíoch
agus nach ró aon thing I gáirtí and it's just more it's just very fall amach cé leis an car sin just an rud amháin there.
It's just certain naming and shaming or
yeah, literally it's just agus bheith country rud igen ho actual bheith ar nós tá an fut an tá letra has imime as scáil náisianta
no I Jack Mary
literally yeah agus tá an plumber do le feáil bhfuil 5 leis na pipi cumáid an féidir le I think an cinnis fear a bhacha mar riú. Ní se ar an radio bud bhí se ar an bud bhí se ar Donegal Daily tas go den si sin bhí not in ná whatever an front page headline news AirPod lost at beach sin an nuirt a bhí an dam siir AirPod ar tre maitheróirtaí ar an le seo más láté sé seo ag an guard station guard seo chun é bháú that was literally an scale a bhíon agus pictar dá AirPod sin méid bhhain
I think it was sin really positive because that means nach hála tá a donna
ghfuil pobl teach le chéile le ag an caiilte aimimsú
yeah but tá rud ag ró tú I gcéirí aon nuacht eile aice I don't think gohfuil ámh se mar daoine as chun de connacht or Kunda and it's a whole county to me basically.
Cúige?
Ní as chuig go connacht mise?
No, that's Cúige Mooney, yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, Claire, yeah, sorry, go Malashgal. You're just on the Emil.
Thank God.
Thank God, yeah.
Oh, Cúige connacht an ceanna seoir.
Muoinach níos fearr mas rud ag gur bhfuil tú tóca leis a rugby connacht níos fearr.
Not that I give a shit for rugby, but yeah, tá chuig go mún wad níos fearr an rugby.
Actually, freshen sé Cúige connacht ten ceanna inan's keel, actually, freshen. Cúige, chuig chundé, get a grip, that you get me fucking British Susan Shore.
Oh my god. But James, this is tóca le ahanana a chuig connacht, this tóca le leitrim agus le
Look, on this note, a seaasma an fód le muinte mó. It's coming is Cúige connacht not.
Oh, for once.
Yeah.
The shade or real.
Cúige connacht can sure. And that's just no no fucking arguments on.
Tá carlam san is as mé James agus ní higann si céin fa a bhfuil she's like ní bhfuil him aon alcas I draw much in the Gaeilge ná agus ní higann
mé. Bogan look good Gaeilge.
Mar tá much we ó jazz.
Bogan just look good Gaeilge so obviously ní an ill faith acu go dtí ná should move agad
yeah. Minnows sin fa me a Hugh said sin an classic rud an dhearan daoine faoin na clubbaní buge or na clubbaní móra
Yeah, but like obviously that if like Chasha, well like were she more it's just a GAA because my
No,
thought
sí sin rud
yeah,
ní sí
genre,
tugus.
like so yeah, it's like what's that? Just like Rude the bit, because like Man United City, Man United Liverpool, Liverpool Everton, both fucking Shamrock Rovers. Like
Yeah.
it's derby thon, so it's Shina made it on. At
Mhm.
the end of the day, the chords that must mo like just man the rattler like raw the Gaeilge go like 5 in a row Connacht championships like so I think he's an on,
Oh.
you know, come to see
Tá ní scars í scur na cin championship na tunú ag smaoinú leis an léigi chat chunríchanis go lua
Yeah,
agus
Tá am sé fóding ní fear, Tá an airach
Mhm.
bolt ling, Tá pel a as. Yeah.
Tá síl go maiid. Tá sé
An is chat an nari bin la do can she nu. No, James? No?
Uh, sure.
Oh my god, sin scandus, absolute scandus. Look, tá imachtaí eile arsúil le ling seach na Gaeilge agus aine bééis agus in smó faoi seo an réabh atá ag tarlú in ar an saharn, so ike a muireach má tan ceart agum tá se i gal bheith in snáis fearlamsa ar don mó chríléir mó síl an gaihim an nócha am is tíon in Farcan Daily Mount.
Oh.
A tá go bheith scrista ag dearan na blianana am actually príomhirste faoi.
Tá ina nach neahítas é cean an na rahaní seo go bhfuil meallar gur béid certain dárad is mó haí leat an tríad is mó haí leat. Na bós an Gaeilge agus ceol boppi rave ceol bio.
Well, it's session trad Shamra Wine agus session rave sa Shamra Ella na pe. It's tá se really ahan killed grenade am a heel curha in Etchawain. It's the wire that we shagoni or ikintí nach Roman an dul shouldn't find nach Roman gefal. But Tasha an Amsve dark ratchet though. Tasha an Amsve.
Yeah. Tá si de gennu an darcheam meall a gurí commission leis an géad cean bhí se có rahul sin. Agus is stoid go si de stíhan le chud is mód an lá an arnach gur just gneahí an kosher rair fan na huintí. Ach sílam goil buint ag ceoltarí éagsú le leis an uair so bhí go leor ceoltarí trad acu nuair dearna tá níos mó acu an uair seo card linn Liam Lonergan be sé stíhan be Snéad Gonachu, Ruth McCrowan, be Riint DJ ní ocu be Ferdelicious nach as galú é. Ja, bín sé gobar tí taimhheach ornta as tí gafé plamas. Agus Luna Hayes, agus be Shomer Techno, agus Shomer Tradicu. So, tá cum ínta her. Be sé ben dúirse ag a hochtalog an réabh Bóihéamach Gaelach. I'd say go mé crackar dóia.
Sin mis is Bóihéamach mé agus is Gaelme. So, tá mis
Si do ag gléach amachart le chatú.
Fairlam rud adbal díhanis agus tá honey seo rare an pod so then go gaihí mé dhéanú because tá just whole falsa leis an stuff seo but caiime actually chuir se tá chun tattoo a el dá an park dá layout an park an sean layout an park Daily Mount ar mo chás sílam.
No.
Kind of like an outline. Curry man pa cogah agus is fair of
So just drinlog, no?
No. To like aerial plan killed a rod dan park. Agus
Just saoly the fáiste again for you being like, Daddy, get out the house.
Oh, don't you worry, Anya. They season ticket to Galadin bug sin faster. Na vi ein imniart.
But it's actually season ticket all a good team nach me even at a vold ní smooth though.
Oh.
James O'Flaherty. Is he at the fern is shinne in Aaron Lidal? Well, actually no. Actually not the shells ní shinne actually for him.
Yeah. Ach, like was that like at a Lloyd like couldn't you the mach gansachi zasa she the gansachi oh no wait nach in Shamrock Rovers like the Wolf Tones actually because you mach count all in
Patsig is the Wolf Tones come Ashkel.
Was it Pats?
Yeah, I guess another scrammer for you fast.
Rovers. It's a green.
I know. Well, listen, that's the Wolf Tones and level taku. Well, Shannon wrote the scrammer was that so being clique a Genevieve and Shin La Janie agus hánig na St. Pat's fans agus chuirsid suas banner like chuirsid suas tifo a rá oh you've sold your soul like and you sold away your home like or something arrogant or whatever. Ag an am Kieranna the banister Pat a caiú Ganzi Pelador that was made specifically for the club because ring collaboration leis an club agus fástanir there's a collaboration in the Wolf Tones. It's literally that ruddy like the ruddy gur to gunnar the bows shin gunnar the collaboration the Pelador agus gunnar should Ganzi listen to Wolf Tones. You'd be like, well, that's peak Bo's behavior. But anish because it's a patent to Genua that do smeet you like wait 1 second after she's an Igmagu flee and stuff shaw like just Lianahan like yeah Lianahan because this is a Genu the ruddy cannon Kierna
the injustice of it all.
That's
a really crushed you know
Fargach exactly. Just I mean just grammar I just think in classic you know I'm totally not mad for it. It's just not there like there
just grammar but and another thing
to commercial just grammar just you know just size you know Tan Jersey class I guess then stuff Palador class come on but like obviously Vo and stuff Palador class you know so Nero
you would, wouldn't you?
Of course I would.
Such a Palador boy.
Anya Bhí mar raging nar a hánig mac an earlier today like Club Ella. Like the road day if there was a Bose Palador Ganzi about Misha Kayushin aha little gur were my bless like I'm
wrote the Rachel nar hosidini is spoku as na dini kaihin na Ganzi ha Palador or Lena.
Do you know what? No, because see the Michigan stuff as Greg, yeah, Áine,
yeah. Okay.
How's by the way? Elaine stuff Pelador
Yeah, no.
But in Lisbon actually. So.
Okay. Oh yes, class. Yeah, because we to institution. Agus but the Michigan stuff as in the Gaeilge Jake, I think Patrick Jefferson Lee Jake like this it's OG mission so
it's not just promo is go Greg
well to valíceocht
either Greg by Pelador by Hugh Carr new Pelador by Seansa Hugh get a promotion in this like Pelador come like exclusive fits into go Hugh Carr agus Beidir even Seansa thrown in mixed in Scotty but
Seansa ex Pelador
Pelador by Hugh Carr Station 2FM all the time even nervous to it Dancing with the Stars is suit Pelador
product placement
they shall look knitted the suit to look knitted
just a Gary takeart a hort da co there look shit that's all I want to do look James Benson more model doc ratchet
yeah
agus you know what agus James would scare more model come on no come on come on
I mean look ta Aaron knitwear ag how to Gael Shansely a Pelador vacu
I think Janet Shaquille Janet an Omarca Keel came down Nachwell Shajanta being Hannah.
Pelador even so Clornush and these sacred vows, right?
Oh yes, you can RT, yeah. Yeah, la Ken Tangapatar, la and not to be more Tom Von Lawler.
Yeah.
Love hate.
I was gonna cast like normal people like this talk. On the comedian Shane
Dangelburn.
Yes, yeah. Chodim should look at it's actually really good.
Actually,
I know. There's my actually you're like ni character but should not actually my get raw person. So yeah, there's actually really good.
Whoopsie. But listen, Bishar ar fad le flustalgus le fecal again Tommel. So watch this space for the chancellor. Just my Yarmajay than Shanska Darla Shanska Kamesha fear. You know, that's the plan.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna manifest in it.
Ranifest, please.
Ranifest.
Please. It's parsing the beyond me.
Was that the Chinese New Year? So the year of Hugh and Isher around the Feirste. Was that the Chushin? It's not the year of the snake, it's not the year of the dog.
Because James Bay Clingan Mooriga.
Well, if you're gonna read, maybe it is the year of the snake. Must with the Gurmisha and Parson and
Hugh
it's
never
the
knew
year
a car.
yeah.
ran the Feirste Tarlún on Avlion lár seachtain na Gaeilge agus bíon blian nu acu ag brair céan duine atá si de ceile. So in tseachtain seo an ché tseachtain go fi sé blian Hugh ran the Feirste. So
Blian the gower.
You're like Glockham leis.
Glockham leis.
Leis an honour seo. Fragracht seo.
Yeah, I promised I wouldn't cry.
blian an gower.
Yeah.
Hugh, de bhachtta mar aon ana bhíochtta mar le cuacha.
Quacka!
Yeah. She's really big as cute like.
Yeah, they're really
Jay Quacka.
I thought it was like quacker. Yeah, they're really big and cute like it in Australia. Which is class.
And look, isn't there any process in it? Look, we're all happy. Let me just never your fun.
I could have got another route. I just about, you know what, but I'm happy like quacker.
Near while I'm a Jerry shotting your scrisula shots. That's a good shot. Oh my god. Okay. Well, Sheelam Gurbe Shin Gurmai Gov as of the Geisha le Chancellor a Rish Bimager Rash Galua la Agran or Akaji Shin Bay much le file or the man hosted the Major Chancellor or Instagram agus Chancellor or YouTube but the Gary any Amsterdam man hosted this more anywhere or Instagram agus anywhere or TikTok but the Gary James Amsterdam man hosted this more Flahertach or Instagram agus Flahertach or TikTok is but the Gary Mahane Amsterdam man hosted the more Hugh Carey here or Instagram agus just grab Hugh Carey or TikTok ein rodala go gaimiid a flogal.
Bíag seachtain na Gaeilge ganta daoine agus bíag lá éile páirc ganta ag cé ghfuil sé de March.
Cé go ar Siran banca ar March agus níl ceir go dhéanú like. I actually cared much go dhéanú. Nothing, yeah. Well, Bedger good Muhammad Maher ar an Ian Loon, Bedger. James with the Gary Chatlum hig the bows or an Ian Loon and we in Toka Park to more Foster with Chatlum.
Yeah, I think tá líne ag British Suez.
No, James, back into no, I spent him to echo like the lane I've August to do Bogu Heart.
She go tree tunnel.
No, non that do frozen.
No, yeah, James. No, spent him to a fact like the clutch out. Come on. Okay, well, there were 5 minute technicals, Kermit Creeklish and Pod, but you sold us in Jerry Shot again. We're going to Rashford's Bye.